I have a GE GDT695SMJ2ES dishwasher. The vent cover inside the washer keeps coming unscrewed, thus leaking water out. When I try to replace it, I spin it until tight, but if I go too far, it pops back off. Do I have a defective washer? Do I just need the new vent cover?
Can you guesstimate how old your GE is? And just to clarify, what's the exact model?
Less than a year old. GDT695SMJ2ES.
Do you plan on doing the work yourself?
Yes.
Anything else we should know to help you best?
No.
Hello, I'm Ray and would be happy to help you. How old is the machine?
Not quite a year old.
Thanks, still under a manufacturer warranty, and you could call GE to do the repairs, or you can order the door seal and replace it. There is a newer seal that is softer and thinner that won't happen anymore. I've been getting several of them lately to work on 816 on diagram dishwasher door vent seal parts WD08 by 23666 substitution, WD08 by 10092 $10.95 in stock SearsPartsDirect.com. Here is the picture diagram.
Okay, I will give them a call and see what they say. Thanks.
It's very easy to change if you wanted to avoid their hassle of waiting.
Do I have to take the door apart to get to it?
I hope I was a help to you, and I would deeply appreciate it if you could rate my service. Not at all. Push the plastic piece in some to give you room to grab the ring seal out. Use a needle nose pliers if you have any. Then place the need one in the put the out plastic back on and tighten it.
Okay, I'll get the part ordered and give it a try. Should the vent cover tighten down without popping loose as it is tightened?
Yes.
Okay, thanks.
If it gives you any issues, then I would call them. Thanks and good luck to you.
If you have a home improvement or appliance question and want to chat with an expert now, visit JustAnswer.com/YTHI.